Hi all my lovely foodies, it's CiCi here. Today I went to the supermarket and I discovered something that I normally don't sell. Lemongrass. I used to see a lot of these in Southeast Asia. So today I want to share with you something that is super delicious and super juicy. Lemongrass pork chop. We're gonna first score the fat, cutting through every inch so the pork chops won't corrode up. Use the back of your knife to pound and tenderize the pork chops. Mince the garlic. Mince the lemongrass. Mince the shallot. To make the marinade, we're gonna mix in the fish sauce, dark soy sauce, honey. We're also gonna add 1 tablespoon of extra light olive oil, garlic, lemongrass, and shallot. Whisk. In a large Ziploc bag, transfer in the pork chops and pour in the marinade. And we're gonna marinate in the fridge for overnight. Let's also prepare the ingredients for the dipping sauce. Mince the garlic. Chop the chili pepper. And julienne the carrot. Also prepare the lime. To make the dipping sauce, in a bowl, we're gonna mix in the fish sauce, sugar, water, lime juice, rice vinegar, garlic, chili pepper, and carrots, and give it a good mix. To prepare the scallion oil, we're going to thinly slice the scallions. Now to make the scallion oil, over medium heat, in a small pan, add the extra light olive oil and the scallions. Cook until aromatic for about 30 seconds. So for these pork chops, you can cook them however you like. You can put them in the oven, grill, or even pan fry them. And today we're going to pan fry them. So in a pan over high heat, add 1 tablespoon of extra light olive oil. Transfer in the pork chops. We're gonna pan fry until the surface is golden brown, 30 seconds on each side. Then turn to medium heat. Cook for 3 minutes on each side. The color looks just amazing. It's a golden brown, super delicious. Just by looking at it, I have like so much appetite right now. Wow. Shockingly delicious, super amazing, very juicy and tender pork chop with this aroma of lemongrass. It's just so amazing. Instantly brings me back to Southeast Asia. I feel like right now I just need a cup of Vietnamese coffee, iced coffee. That would be perfect. Perfect. I hope that everyone also enjoyed today's episode. If you like it, remember to subscribe, thumbs up. Every Friday I have an awesome recipe to share with you. It's a brand new, super delicious. So I will see you again next Friday. Bye for now.